are going to discuss distinguishing test between the phenol and alcohol. Already I discussed in my previous videos also. This video is only for the distinguishing test between the alcohols and phenols. Now distinguish between alcohols and phenols. Four tests we can use. Number one is litmus test. Litmus test, phenol, by the phenol, blue litmus turns into red. Blue litmus is turned into red, as phenol is acidic in nature, that's why. Okay, but alcohol could not do this. Phenol only can do this. Okay. Second one is what? That is bromine water test you can use. I said you that bromine water, if you add with the phenol, then phenol will react with the bromine water and gives the 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is white in color. White PPT we will get. White PPT. But alcohol will not give this test. Third one is what? Azo dye I mentioned. Azo dye. Now if you are giving the what? Phenol and aniline in the presence of nitrous acid, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, this is the azo dye test. Phenol plus aniline. So phenol plus, you can tell, benzene diazonium chloride, which will be formed actually after adding this aniline and nitrous acid. So ultimately 0 to 5 degrees Celsius we will get what? One orange dye color, orange color dye we will get. Phenol will give this test but alcohol will not. And the fourth one, very important, this generally this one we give in the board examination. So what is the next one? That is ferric chloride test. Phenol, once reacting with the ferric chloride, neutral ferric chloride, you will get what? You will get nearly violet color complex, which we have generally, which type of phenol we have in our lab. It generally gives ferric, with the ferric chloride, it generally gives the violet color complex, violet coloration of the solution, which phenol, alcohol will never give. So alcohol plus ferric chloride, there is no change in color, but phenol plus ferric chloride, violet coloration, we will get the solution of violet color. So here is one of the class in which we have discussed the distinguishing test between the alcohol and phenol. Four tests I told you. One is litmus test, phenol turns blue litmus into red, which alcohol does not. Bromine water test, bromine water if we add in the phenol, it will give you white PPT, alcohol will not. Azo dye test, if you are adding phenol with the nitrous acid and aniline, then we will get the orange color dye, which alcohol will never give. And the last and very important test is phenol, once reacting with the phenol, which we get in the lab. Not all phenols I am telling. Generally we have the in the lab the phenol, normal phenol. This phenol, once reacting with the ferric chloride, will give you the violet coloration. Alcohol will never give. So alcohol will never give this test. Thank you class. No more today. Next class we will do some other reactions.